Hey guys, it's Kathy Crafty Chica here with a new project. I know I am late to the game, but I have finally jumped on the Cricut Maker bandwagon. Oh my gosh, what a life changer. So I got everything you see here. I have not used the Easy Press 2 yet. That's going to be my next project. Since I'm a beginner, I thought I would share my process of learning how to use this with all of you in case if you're a beginner as well. So here's the Cricut Maker that I have. I love how it opens nice and sleek like that. You put your pen in there, and then there is the blade. There's different types of blades you can use depending on what you're cutting. Had to put my Crafty Chica sticker right there. It's mine. And then you want to get these tools. Trust me, they will come in handy. Okay, what I love about the Cricut is that there's a website called Design Space that you can connect so that it will walk you through the process seamlessly. So here is a Frida SVG file that I bought off of Etsy, saved it to my desktop, uploaded it to the Cricut Design Space, and this is what I'm going to use to embellish my journal. I have all of these hardback journals. I accidentally bought the wrong size of them, and I didn't want to take them back. I thought I would decorate the covers of them, so I thought this would be a great beginner's project. What I really like about this file is that it's just one layer. So being a newbie, it was just easy for me to familiarize myself with the whole Cricut Maker world and have a successful project. So what I'm doing here is I laid out the size, I'm clicking on vinyl, and I'm putting more so that it will cut just a little bit deeper. Here's my journal. It's about, I'd say 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. And I want Frida to go on the cover of that. It is kind of a maroonish type of color, so I'm using this hot pink vinyl. And these mats, they come in different sizes, very long. This one is 12 by 12. It comes with a clear liner that you peel off, and it's sticky so that your paper will be tacked to it. And you hit the little button to load the mat into the machine. And at that point, when you see this little circle with the Cricut, you press that, and then at the same time, you can use Bluetooth or connect through a USB to your laptop or iPad, and the Design Space app will open up and follow along as your design is being cut. So this is what I think is really cool, because it just gives me peace of mind that it's going the right way. Eventually it will go around to 100%. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Once it's all finished, the little light will blink to release the mat, and at that point you're going to use your tools so that you can pick off, they call it weeding, the excess paper, the vinyl. And here I am pulling away this metallic glittered foil. I guess it's not vinyl, it's foil. And you just want to pull away all of the big pieces, but be really careful because it's very delicate. I got a little excited and I kind of like ripped some pieces, and I pulled off some of the flower portion. Look, I'll show you. Happy? Oh well. Okay, so then you want to pull away all of the bigger pieces. If you're not sure what part to peel off, your design is on your screen, on your iPad or on your laptop, so you could just look at that to make sure you have the right one. I'll tell you, this glittered foil, it is a little bit hard to see the lines. I missed a couple spots of weeding, but it's okay, it still looks good. And then this is the secret weapon right here, this transfer tape. This is how you pick up your design and place it onto the surface. So here I am, again, a newbie. Now the pad is already sticky, and I put the sticky transfer tape on top of that, and look at what happened. It like stuck a little bit. It was easy to peel away, but next time I'll know to make sure to cut the transfer tape to fit the size of the design. And then you just want to, you really gotta burnish it and rub it in so that the foil or the vinyl will stick to the transfer tape and lift up easily. Keep in mind, this is my first time. I'm a newbie, so I'm kind of learning as I go. And I like making mistakes because that way I learn what not to do again. So it's really important to rub in the transfer tape on top of your vinyl or foil, whatever it happens to be that you're transferring, because that way it will all pick up nice and easy. There's a lot of spots there, but you know what? Here we go. We did it. Okay, after that, you want to position it over your surface. Here's my journal. I put it on top, and we're going to repeat the same thing, except this time, instead of pulling everything away, we're just pulling the transfer tape away, and there it is. Except for those little spots right there. Come on. Yeah. Okay. So then I got excited and I made more journals. And again, I got these designs on Etsy. I will put them in the description. Also at craftychica.com, I have a full tutorial blog post with all of the links to everything. Thanks for following along on my first project with the Cricut Maker. I'm going to be using this machine a lot more, so stay tuned. Give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys!